Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Today is Saturday, and if this looks a little strange and sounds a little strange, because today we celebrate not the loner, which is what we usually do on Saturdays. Today we celebrate the rebel. Every once in a while we have to get the rebel involved, because the rebel doesn't have his own day. Too bad. So it can take over Saturdays sometimes, or Tuesdays too. But today we celebrate the rebel, the 8th archetype, the 8th personality. And the rebel is all about doing things differently, doing strange things, not the norm. So play the bass in a strange way, in a way you wouldn't ordinarily do it. Do something in a way you wouldn't ordinarily do it today. And then you will be celebrating and honoring the rebel in your life, the rebel in your blueprint, wherever you have it. Have a blueprint consultation to find out where you have the rebel and where you have all of them in your blueprint. That's the way to do it. Don't be afraid of the rebel. Don't suppress the rebel. What happened to all the rebels? What happened to all the hippies, all the rebels from the 60s? They all turned into the establishment. We need the rebels, even if you don't agree with them. You need to hear from them, because sometimes they are correct. And they can change things. They can innovate and bring really, new stuff, new ideas, new ways of thinking. So we have to have the rebels. If we suppress the rebels, whether we suppress it in ourselves or society suppresses the rebel, very bad idea. Very, very bad idea. Listen to the music of Albert Ayler today, a spiritual rebel, or Bob Marley, a spiritual rebel, or Jerry Lee Lewis, a spiritual rebel, or John Lennon, a spiritual rebel. Burn some weird incense today, something strange, something that smells weird. I have this incense that when I burn it, everybody says it smells like cow dung. But I don't think so at all. So I reserve it for the rebel time. Be a rebel today. Don't be afraid of it. Be a tantric for one day. Find out where you have it in your blueprint, so you know whether you're a relationship rebel, or you're an emotional rebel, or you're a career rebel. It's important to know, Embrace the unique, embrace the different today. What are you waiting for?